Okay. Aloha mai kākou. Welcome to ʻAʻA ʻŌLELO, our virtual Hawaiian language class. You guys can see the screen, yeah? Okay. Okay, kala eono o ʻApelila, 2021. Ahe poʻalua keʻia. Today we'll be talking about ʻOPAʻa number 24. We had a nice break from last week's class, but we're back and we're ready to holomua, keep moving on with our next lesson. Yeah, so here's our agenda, our new sentence structure that we're going to go over. It might take a while to get it up, but we're going to do a lot of examples in the chat for us to get it like kai, okay? Alrighty. Again, aloha mai kākou na homana. You guys know the drill. You can just put your name and your where you're joining us from. We pretty much all know each other, but we may have a new student. No, I don't think so. Oh, Rick. Yeah, aloha, Rick. Mahalo. Thanks for joining us. Okay. Aloha. Where are you joining from?
Puna.
Puna. Oh, okay, I was just there this past weekend. Or all of Big Island, so okay.
I seen that.
Yeah. Mahalo.
Right.
Okay, again, I mean, you guys know about aloha me kako o Kumu Kahanuola solatorio, noho au makivalo uka, makamukupuni o. Okay. I missed you guys. It felt weird not having class last week. But again, thanks to Stacy, she always texts me and she always reminds me, you gotta take time for yourself. So I did. Mahalo. Okay, and while we're there, Stacy, can you read our values? Oh, I don't know. It's not going. Is that the April? Maybe you can jump on her camera. No, I don't know. It's not going. Okay, no worries. Can I, Rick, since your first class, other than okay, now you
Hey.
okay. Stacey, you read two, and then Rick will read the last two. Okay.
Aloha, ke kahi I ke kahi. Love one another. We are in ohana. Ho'ihi aku, ho'ihi mai. Be respectful on camera and in the chat.
Okay. And Rick, the last two, please.
E kulia I kanu'u. Strive to be the very best you can be. ʻAʻA I ka ʻŌLELO, mai hila hila. Dare to speak, don't be shamed in class.
Okay, so yeah, our rules, you guys get them. I don't have to worry about you folks. And kunihi, if we have anyone that wants to volunteer to lead us, if not, I can start it off. Okay, this palikekua, everyone sit up. Makoko. Kunihi kamauna. Ha. Kunihi kamauna I ka la'i e o ai ale lai wailu ai. Kia ela I kalani ka papa'au ai o ka waikini. Alai ia ela e no nalo kai puha. Kalaula mau ka o ka pa'a e. Mai pa'a I ka leo. E ole ka hea mai e hei ke kanaka e kumu maloko e hana ia hewe koha e ano kaukula o ka leo a he leo vale no e. Okay, mekai. Okay, so I know the week before we talked about Aloha ʻAʻa, we had the guest speaker, Makana Riley from Hawaiian Islands Land Trust. And that was very mekai because, you know, she talked a lot about her work and, you know, brought up the questions about why it's important for us to Aloha ʻAʻa. And I know you guys know what it is, but it was good to have those conversations with each other. But we're just gonna jump right into our next lesson. I know next week is the 25th, and I want to do a huge review with maybe not every structure, but a lot of the structures that are more recent. So yeah, we'll do that next week. But for now, let's just jump into this next lesson of Kiʻa Pepeke. And this is our ʻŌLELO no ʻAʻA for us. And I want to ask Carrie if you can read the ʻŌLELO no ʻAʻA, or Hawaiian and English for us.
E hana mua a pa'a ke kahua ma mua o ke ʻaʻohana a kuia haʻi. Build yourself a firm foundation before teaching others.
Okay, so I guess not, I mean, it doesn't actually relate to ʻŌLELO, but just anything you do. Why is it important to have a firm foundation before, you know, moving on or sharing your knowledge with other people? If you guys can answer this, what does this ʻŌLELO no ʻAʻA mean to you? That would be great. I think for me, it's just knowing, when it comes to ʻŌLELO, just knowing the different structures and the different words and the vocabulary, having that all ʻaʻa before you go ahead and teach the language. Because if you're going to teach someone something wrong and continue a wrong you know, style, then maybe it's not so good if you do that. But if you're firm and you're you know your foundation is ʻaʻa before you can go on and teach some others, then that's my kaʻi. And I think this is good. I kind of want to ask Auntie Heilani what she thinks about this, because as a kumuhula, of course, yeah, what is your ideas about this, Auntie?
Aloha kākou. What I can say as a kumuhula is the word kumu is a foundation, and it also is a tree. And I always want my tree to be healthy and growing strong and have the branches grow and the branches be strong. And in order for my tree to do that, I would have to put the time in to build my ike and my knowledge. And that's gonna take studying, a lot of practice through repetition, lots of repetition, and life experiences. And that's how ʻŌLELO no ʻAʻAs are created.
Yeah. No, exactly. And I guess too, could you, I mean, and it's, if you want to, could you talk about when you were running for Miss Aloha Hula, how that experience was? Because, you know, you had to, yeah.
You know, now that I'm older,
Nah, you're 30. You're 20.
what I have, the lesson I got from that running for Miss Aloha Hula is always know that your kumu sees in you a lot more than you see in yourself.
Yeah.
And I was young and very insecure. I came from Kauai. I had really no hula background. And in 6 months, I was his soloist. And in 2 years, I was running for Miss Hula. So can I share the story of my journey before I ran for Miss Hula? How I got to run for Miss Hula? Okay. Yeah. So I'm so embarrassed to admit this, but my kumu was Daryl Lupinui, and he's one of the few people that has the Mary Monarch Perpetual Trophy for men, and it ain't easy to win that. Yeah. So after that, he decides to have women. So I joined the halau, and I saw him at Mary Monarch. I went to Hilo College, and I saw this man come out on stage. And I wasn't even paying attention. And I heard this man chant, and I stopped in my tracks. And I was like, oh my God. He just grabbed me. And when I saw his man dance, I just went, oh my God, I don't care what it takes. I am going to be in this man's halau. And he didn't even have women yet. And I was in Hilo, and he was in Honolulu. So anyway, when he asked me to run for Miss Hula, I'm so embarrassed to say, but I told him, oh, no way, Daryl. I'm not gonna, and I said this word, sing in front of everybody. Because I was just really shy. And then, you know, he was so humble and so gracious, because every time I say no, the next time I go to hula practice, he would say, "Here, do you run around for Miss Hula?" And I would say, "No, Daryl, I told you already. I don't like, I shame." The next time, every time he would be so nice and ask me, and I would keep going, "No, I told you I don't like." So one day we have hula practice at his house, and my hula sister comes out of the room and she goes, "Hi, Hea. I heard you're running for Miss Hula, and I just want to say, congratulations, because you're going to school and you know all that Hawaiian kind of stuff. But I just want to let you know that, oh, I just gotta watch what I say. That
Yeah.
I might have to, one day enter the same competition as you. He might enter me." And I just want to let you know that I'm going to learn from all of your mistakes. And right
Oh, I
after
love
she said that, I looked at Daryl. I said, "Daryl, shoot, I do him." And he looked at me. He went, "All right, here."
that. Well, thank you to your hula sister then. Thank you.
Yeah, mahalo to it, really. But anyway, again, he saw in me what I never see in myself at all.
Yeah.
And he brought it all out.
Oh, that's
So
awesome.
trust
Yeah,
in your Kumu.
and you're a Kumu now, and I'm a Kumu now.
Mhm.
I see that same kind of thing with not only my students at Kamehameha, but even you folks, because I know at the beginning you guys never knew, that you could do it or that you could ʻŌLELO or whatever. But now we're going and we just keep going. And yeah, we're the strong. You guys are the strong survivors from the beginning of the class, and we keep going. So, Mekai, thank you again. Thank you, Auntie. Okay, so getting right into our lesson for Kiʻa Pepeke. So, you guys want to ho'opili mai Kiʻa Pepeke? Kiʻa Pepeke. So that's what I learned it at my school at Kamehameha and at mostly at Kamehameha. But what it is Kiʻa Pepeke, and you're gonna have ʻANA. So you're gonna have the okina ʻANA. You've seen ʻANA before without okina when you have your future tense verb marker, but this one's a little bit different. So can you read this for us right here? Bianca.
The Kiʻa Pepeke ʻANA is what is called that part. Sorry. Oh yeah. Kiʻa Pepeke ʻANA is what is called a ground gerund.
Yeah. Gerund.
And is used to turn an action into a noun by adding an ing to it.
Okay, mahalo. So a gerund in English is pretty much just the ing, adding that ing to the end of a word. And when you do that, you're turning the action, a verb, into an actual noun. Because the, let's say our verb is sing, to sing. Now it's going to be singing, and then the singing would be the actual new noun. But it's still going to be, you're still describing a verb. Okay? It's kind of tricky at first, but once we get into it, it's not actually that bad. But what we're going to do is we're going to spend maybe 2 weeks on ʻANA. So next week we're going to continue doing ʻANA as well. Because it's actually a very good structure for you to have. And the thing about it is it's not even a structure. It's more just like a part of a sentence. So you kind of just have, just the Kiʻa Pepeke by itself. It needs to be a part of a bigger sentence. Okay, and we'll get to some examples throughout tonight. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna create those little Kiʻa Pepeke, those gerunds with the ing at the end. And this is how we're gonna do it. We're gonna have a kaʻi at first. That's the first part of it. Then you're gonna have your painu, and your painu is your verb. Okay, so kaʻi, painu, and then ʻANA at the end. Okay, so that's again article, your verb, and then the ing. So our first example is going to be ke kākou ʻana. Ke kākou ʻana. Everyone saying it with me. Ke kākou ʻana.
Ke kākou ʻana.
Thank you, Auntie. And ke kākou ʻana translates to writing. If you want, you could put the writing. Okay, or just writing is fine. Okay, can you read example number 2, Kar?
Ka hula hula ʻana, dancing.
Okay, ka hula hula ʻana. So what would what's the regular verb when you have just the regular verb? Hula hula would be to dance, yeah? And then if you want to make it into a noun, an actual gerund, it will be ka hula hula ana. Okay, and that's just the first part. Let's continue on with the third one. Pamela, what is number 3?
Kahimeni ʻANA, singing.
Okay, and what is the original verb? What would the original verb translate to?
Himeni
Yeah.
is sing, to sing.
Yeah, good job. Okay, and then this last one, let's jump to Kailani. Can you read this fourth one for us?
Yes, Kahanuola means running.
Yeah, and then what would the original verb be? Holo means?
Follow, to run.
To run, good. Okay, so we're gonna do a lot of vocab. I know we didn't focus on verbs in a while, so you may have forgotten some of our verbs we learned, but it's okay. We'll get it hopefully tonight. But yeah, what I want you guys to do is to choose a verb, any verb that you know, makaʻolelo Hawaii, and you're going to make a Kiʻa Pepeke using that verb. So make sure you have the correct ka'i. If it's ka or ke, then your verb and then ana. Simple and easy. Okay, so you can do that, and you can do that publicly. And we'll use some of our examples to, what's it called? To translate together. Reef. Reef, you're the best. Reef, you and your puns. I love it. Anahu. Pretty much. Okay, good. Yeah, exactly. Carly, not the translation, just the Hawaiian. Just kidding. Okay, good. Exactly. Okay, ʻAʻA. I love it. Okay, ʻAʻA. I wonder if ʻAʻA is one. Nice. Don, try one more time with your ka'i. So would it be ka or ke? Okay, I'm gonna call on Kiani. Can you read yours? And everyone's listening because you're gonna translate after.
Ke inu ʻANA? Or was it ka?
Ka. Yeah, I think you wrote ka. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So ka inu ʻANA. Can we do that in the chat? Maybe private. Yeah, good. Yeah. So yeah, I see you guys still sending in yours. And after that, if you can put in ka inu ʻANA, what is that? And Pamela is currently doing it now. Or not anymore, but yeah. Okay, so that one's that's an easy one. Lena Ala, what is ka inu ʻANA translated to?
Drinking, the drinking.
Yeah, the drinking or just drinking. Good. And what was there, Lena Ala? You want to read your example?
Ke kahea ʻana.
Ke kahea ʻana. I don't know if you guys know what that kahea means, but yeah, Carrie got him. Kahea ʻana. Ke kahea ʻana. Yeah, maybe, Erika. It's a little bit different though. So when you kahea, they tell you kahea. What do you remember that one? What that one was? Yeah, good. Yeah, even if you think your example is wrong, no worries, just send them. Okay. Let's go to Atimilelani. What is ke kahea ʻana?
The calling.
The calling or just calling. Maikai. Yeah, calling out. Erika, good. Okay, and let's do 2 more. ʻŌLELO. Who's ʻŌLELO? Oh, Makamai. Can you read yours? Yeah. Makamai. Makamai. So she said, kahia moi. Kahia moi ʻana. That's another easy one. What do you guys think that is? Kahia moi ʻana. Oh, kapoa, that's a good one. Kahui ʻana. Yeah, another easy one. Yeah. Carly. Haley, what is your answer? Kahia moi ana.
Unmute.
Oh, sleeping.
Yeah, sleeping. And what, Carly, what did you write?
Shishinai.
Shishi nai naiing. Way too much. Okay, and let's just do one more. This is maybe a harder one. Ke kiko kiko ana. Ke kiko kiko ana. You remember what that is? That was Kapua's one. Ke kiko kiko ana. Oh yeah, you guys know. Okay. Yeah, get them. Good. And Kapua, what does that translate to? Ke kiko kiko ana.
Typing.
Typing or the typing. Okay, my kai. So that's our first part. Okay, so that's, again, this is just a part of a sentence. It cannot be a whole sentence. You cannot just say ke kiko kiko ana, period. So just remember that as you move on. Period. Okay, another thing that we can do is add a possessive. Okay, so we had our ka'i, our articles first. Now we can add our nonoa. So pretty much the same kind of thing, but a little bit different when we translate it, because it's not going to be the eating or just eating. You're going to have more things adding to it. So remember our nonoa. This one is going to be nonoa plus painu and ana. We learned our nonoa and we have those, hopefully we have those pa'a. But yeah, let's go through our examples with that. With this one, you don't have to worry about ko or ka. You're only going to do ko. Okay, so keep that in your lolo. Only O class, and that's going to be easy because sometimes we cannot distinguish between the two. Yeah. All right. So can you read this first one for us, Lehi Lani? What is that right here?
Ko'u ai yana, my eating.
Okay, good. My eating. Ko'u, and then the aiana, my eating. Okay, let's call on Pua Mohala. What is number 2?
Ko'u ʻAʻA ʻANA. You're swimming.
You're swimming. Ko, and then ʻAʻA ʻANA. Good. Let's go to Rick. You want to read number 3?
Kona ʻAʻo ʻana. His teaching.
Okay, good. Kona ʻAʻo ʻAna. And remember, kona can be his, hers, or it. So depending on who you're talking about, that's what you type, or that's what you translate to. And then this other one, this one's a little trickier one, but this is when we have another name, yeah? So let's call on Lehua, Kimura.
Kukeoni inu ana. Keoni's drinking.
Okay, ko keoni inu ana. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing if you can figure out an example on your own. But wait real fast. We're gonna do 2 examples. The first one, it could either be ko'u, ko, or kona. And the second one is gonna be with a name. So choose either ko'u, ko, or kona, and then another ko name, but 2 different verbs. Okay? Can be anything too. Good, Auntie here. Good. Lena Ala. Oh yeah, the typing one is for the other example, yeah. Did you just type that one? Oh, that was okay, got it. Who's Jonah? Gross. There you go, Erika. Good. Okay. I really like reefs. I'm gonna come back to reefs later on. Okay, and April, can you read your example for us, please?
Turn your TV on. Ko'u pa'ani ana.
Okay, ko'u pa'ani ana. What does that translate to? Oh no, sorry. Everyone else.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, no, you're good.
My party?
Oh, that close. That's pa'ina. Pa'ani is a little. Yeah, pa'ani. Pa'ani.
My playing.
My playing. Good. Ko'u pa'ani ana. My playing. Okay, good. Let's go to another one. Kona. Other than was ko'u. Let's find a kona. Who had a kona? Oh, Rick. I think you're talking about. Is it surf? Oh yeah. You want to read yours? Sorry, just gave it away.
Kona nalu ana.
Kona nalu ana. Kona nalu ana. Nalu he'e nalu. Kona nalu ana. What does that translate to?
I forgot to put the he'e.
Nah, no worries. My students actually, not my students. My teacher called it nalu too, just because, just go. Because it could be surfing or bodyboarding, boogie boarding, all that stuff. So he just said nalu ana. Okay. Kona, Erika, kona. Okay, so Erika, what does that translate to? Kona, nalu, he nalu ana, nalu ana.
So he's surfing.
Is surfing, good. And let's just do one more with a name. Yeah, done. Let's do yours.
Ko ka'iolani holo ana.
Ko ka'iolani holo ana. Okay, so use this bottom one as your example to help you translate that. Ko ka'iolani holo ana. Ko ka'iolani holo ana. It's funny how everyone wrote ko Jonah or Kumu Kahanuola himeni ana, and they didn't write ko Kumu Kahanuola holo ana. Why not? I ran to the store. Okay, kapua. Kapua goes ko kahanu ai ana. Frika. Now everyone's writing some exercise for me. Okay, good to know. Pamela, what is your? Oh, sorry, Pamela.
Ka'iolani's running.
Ka'iolani's running. My kai. And then I want to get Reese one. Well, this was funny, but it's a little bit different. So listen carefully to what he wrote.
Oh, you want me to read it?
Yeah, please. The dog.
Sorry, by the way.
No, you're good.
Ko ka'ilio mimi ana.
Ko ka'ilio mimi ana. You remember what mimi is? Ko ka'ilio mimi ana. Yeah, isn't that a good one? Because it's not a name, but you still have a possessive. Who is possessing the mimi ana? And if you don't know what mimi is, no worries. But I'm sure everyone heard mimi before. Yeah. Yes, haleaka. Yeah, exactly. So for this one, Kiani, I think it would be best to put the at the beginning, you know? Yeah. Just because the. Kiani, you want to read your example?
The dog is shishiing.
Yeah, the dog's shishing or the dog's peeing, whatever. But yeah, that's a good one, Reef. Thank you. Okay, so now that we have this first part down, we're going to move on Oh no, he's. Oh yeah, let's just do them since we're here. Okay, so choose. I think you guys can do all of them in the next 1 minute. So I'll give you guys a minute. Maybe put it on. What's it called? Yes, good question, Kapua. I'll get to it right after this. Maybe put it on private, but yeah, try and translate these on your own for the next minute. So Kapua asked, would it be the same for other papani like kokako? And yeah, it would be the same. So you would say kokako, kolako, kolako kalaiva ana, they're driving. Kolako, blah, blah, blah. Hello, hello, ana, they're reading. Okay. Good Reef, good Lena Allah. Yeah, good Reef. There's a couple words for talking, so yeah, whichever one you choose. Okay, 20 seconds. Okay, when we're done. No, just kidding. Okay, so I'll give you guys 10 more seconds, but I wanna have everyone just answer it all together. So I wanna tell you to turn on your mic. And then everyone just say their answer, okay? Okay. All right, everyone together. We're gonna translate ke kalaiva ana on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Driving.
Good. Next, ko'uhana ana. Ready and go.
My work.
My working. Good. Next, ko pua he'enalu ana. Go.
Surfing.
Good. So I see some of you put just pua surfing, but remember ko shows a possessive, so it's gonna be pua okina, not okina, pua apostrophe s. Pua apostrophe s.
Surfing. Okay.
Pua, yeah, pua surfing. Okay, next one, you're flying. Let's try together. 1, 2, 3. Lele. Yeah, I know.
Shoots.
Huh? And then the last one, Kainoa's talking. Ready and go. Good job, everyone. Okay, are we good to move on? Thumbs up if we're good, if you guys get it, if it's ʻAʻA. I know that was kind of a long time to spend on that, but that's pretty much the basis of Kiʻa Pepeke, and now we're gonna add it to different things, to different types of sentences. So, yeah. Okay, we're good then. All right, so this first one is going to be, we're gonna do 2 types of sentences tonight. This first one is Pepeke ʻAʻa. Aloha, Lena. Yeah, we have Pepeke ʻAʻa, our descriptive sentences, and our plus your Kiʻa Pepeke. Okay, so can you read this example for us, Bianca, or the description right here? Sorry.
Yeah, we can now describe the way an action looks, sounds, and feels to us by attaching ʻANA to an action.
Okay, so you guys remember our descriptive sentences? Like, yeah, Erika, wait, too fast, you. Okay, so you have your ʻAʻano at the beginning, and then normally we would do ʻAʻano plus piko. So ʻAʻano, like hauʻoliao, I am happy. Okay, but now our Kiʻa Pepeke, our new phrase that we created, is going to be the new piko. Okay, so we're going to be describing that Kiʻa Pepeke, that gerund. Pua. Okay, so if we use this example right here, nani kona kākou ana. Of course, nani means pretty, so you have that pretty, and then kona kākou ana, her writing, her I'm guessing handwriting. So nani kona kākou ana, her writing is pretty. Okay, makes sense. So let's try that with her singing. So we have a new question. I just threw it in there. We don't actually need to ask the question to describe, you know, what we're seeing, but I just threw it in there to have a question for us. So the new question for us, can you read it, Kailani, what is our new question?
How is her singing?
Kailani, you get them?
Sure. Sorry. Pehea kona himeni ana.
Okay, and that means
Singing.
how is her singing? Okay, good. So how we're going to describe it, kind of like this one, would have your ʻAʻano first, and then your new Kiʻa Pepeke. So the best way I would translate it is to just make it separate. Okay, so put melodious at the beginning, and then the pico, your new pico, her singing. Okay, so try and do that for me in the chat privately. So melodious, if you don't know what melodious is, don't think you never heard the word before, because you did. So try. And if you need to look it up over here, go look them up. Go look them. Go check them. Go. Good. Melodious. What's another word in English? Melodious. Sweet. Yeah, that. Yeah, Reef. Good. You get them. Good. Haliaka. Kumu, the parts are correct, kind of in a different order. And then, yeah. So try one more time. Okay, good. Oh, Lena, you just jump right into them and get them right. Good job. Okay, Lena, can you just pehea kona himeni ana? How is her singing?
Nahe nahe kona himeni ana.
Good. So nahe nahe. Who heard the word nahe nahe before? Yeah, I think all of us may have heard it before, but you may have not known that it was melodious. You may have just heard it like, oh, sweet, or But we also have Haley. She has another translation for this. And what is it, Haley?
Momona kona himeni ana.
Momona kona himeni ana. Her singing is fat. Her singing is sweet. Okay, thank you, Haley. Alrighty, so let's try and do this example. Pehea kona hula ana. Pehea kona hula ana. How is her dancing? And this is Lena ala kalamahaini. If you did. Yeah, right? Isn't that a nice picture with Robert and Peter Moon? Yeah, maybe you guys can. I didn't get an example, so try and make one on your own. You can use different words. Yeah. Good, Carrie. That's a good one. Yeah, my Kumu's Kumu. Look at her. That's so like classic, classy.
I don't know what word to put.
Yeah. You got them, Nancy. You get them. Any word. Except pupuka. Don't use pupuka. Good, Lehua. I like yours, Lehua. Makai. We have a lot of the similar ones. We'll see her singing. Dan, that's a good one. Erika, that's a good one. Helan, yes, Auntie Helani, good. Lehua, can you read your example, please?
Hie hie kona hula hula ana.
Hie kona hula hula ana. What does that translate to?
Her dancing is gracious.
Yes, good. That may be a new word, hie. So if you want to write them down, go write them. Anati Helani, what is your example?
Kupaya naha kona hula ana. Her hula dancing is amazing.
Yeah, amazing. Kupaya naha. That's a good word too. So we have hie and kupaya naha. Oh, everyone's busting out the good words. Kapua, what is yours?
Laha ole kona hula ana.
Laha ole, what does that translate to?
Like unmatched, unique, unlike any other.
Nice. Can you type that in, please? He is gracious. And then Don, another good one. Can you read yours?
Palu palu kona hula ana.
And that translates.
Her hula dancing is soft.
Yeah, her dancing is like that. Okay, so yeah, let's go to here and do some translations for the next probably 2 minutes because these are a little bit harder. So ona loa kona ko'ukuke ana, ui ko ke ala hula ana, I kaika kona oli ana. His driving is fast and your running is, oh, I did fast twice. Whatever. I'm gonna change it. So you guys noticed I didn't put it up on Google Classroom yet, but I'll put it up right after tonight's class. I just want to make sure there's no typos, and Carly didn't say anything yet about the typos, so you know. We'll do that one. Carly, any typos you saw?
No, not this far. I don't always look for them, you know.
Okay. Nah, it actually helps me. I want you guys to look for them because, yeah, I'd rather you guys see them than the other people down the line. She just did thus far. Okay. Good, Erika. That was fast. Yeah, Vicky, Reef. Good. Good, Rick. Poor Mohala. Different. So is that for this one? The one you just wrote? So Oli is different. What is Oli again? Yeah. Okay, good. All right, Rick, you want to read the Hawaiian and your translation for the first one?
Ono loa ko'ukuke ana. My cooking is delicious.
Okay, and you know what loa is?
Big, long?
Very delicious. Yeah, close. Okay, Kiana, you want to try number, or you can choose whichever one you want to do.
Okay.
Ui ko ke ala hula ana. Ke ala's hula is pretty.
Yeah, and you know that's funny that you just said hula because you kind of really translate it to dancing because it's not just dancing. So Keala's hula is pretty or beautiful. Good. Okay, Pumahala, you want to try this number 3?
That's number 3. Okay. Ika kona oli ana. Ika oli is. You know what? No, I'm sorry. She chants loudly.
Yeah. So her is strong or loud.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But yeah, you got all the points. Good. His or her chanting is strong. Good. Okay, and now the 2 English to Hawaiian. Who get them? Kapua. Whichever one.
Okay, I don't even know if I did the negative correctly, so correct me. But ʻaʻole mai kaʻi kona kalaiwa ana?
Yep. ʻAʻole mai kaʻi kona kalaiwa ana. Did we all get that? Yeah. No. Okay, no worries. You could have said mai kaʻi ole too. That would have been another one you could have said. Or ʻaʻole mai kaʻi kona kalaiwa ana. Okay, and your running is fast. We never went a long time. Pamela, you want to try?
Avivi ko hele ana.
Avivi ko hele ana. Oh, running. So hele is just to go. What is run? You remember?
Holo.
Yeah. Avivi ko holo ana. Yeah. Good job, everyone. All right. So I want you guys to make an example on your own. Okay. So try just make choose any like verb. Choose a verb first, probably. Then choose who's doing the verb, and then describe how they're doing the verb. Yeah, Erika. Now you can say it. 10 minutes later. Okay, so it can be anything. Doesn't have to be doesn't have to be true or right, you know. Yes, reef, good. Hauna, pilo. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, you guys get them already. Good, po Mahalo. Yeah. And then keep these in mind for our breakout rooms too, if I don't use yours as an example. You reef, you know I'm going to use yours, so get ready. Yes, right? Maybe it's best not to look up reef's examples. And while we're there, reef, ready?
Pilo kona puhi'u ana.
Pilo kona puhi'u ana. Love it. And you can probably use this in your everyday speech when you're talking to your kids or your dog. Pilo kona puhi'u ana. Okay, Stacy, I don't know. You want to try? Oh, when you're talking about April. Okay, try to give us your example or your translation.
Two reefs?
Yeah.
Oh. Her farts smell, meaning April? Shut up.
Smell, meaning April. You sound like me and my brother. So funny. Okay. So her farts stink, or pilo, reef. What is the actual translation for pilo? No, is it stink?
I think pilo is stink for like body odor. I'm not sure. It's so much different words for stink. I'm not sure.
Yeah. Hauna would work, but pilo is a good one pertaining to your your body. Swampy, foul odor as of a swamp. Halitosis, polluted. April, halitosis. No, just kidding. That's your sister. She has halitosis. Okay. What else we get? Kapua, read yours. I like yours.
Manaka ko'umau hui ana.
Okay. Manaka ko'umau hui ana. That's a very good one, because if you don't know what hui ana means, we're doing it right now. This would be considered a hui ana.
For the record, I'm not talking about this one.
I was gonna say, shoot, is this boring you? You saying I eat a lot? Sass. Nice. Okay, manaka, what was it? Ko'u mau hui ana. Okay, did anyone think they got it? Yeah, Pamela, that's correct. But mo, what does mo show? Good. Yes, good job, Pamela. Okay, Erika, what is it?
My meetings are boring.
My meetings are boring. Okay, and I'm sure we all can attest to that. You're preaching to the choir, Kapua. My meetings are boring. Okay, and I want one more from Bianca. That's a very good one. You guys gotta listen carefully to Bianca's, because it's a little longer, but it's perfect. It's a great example.
Avivi ko ko'u haumana helu heluana.
Okay. Can you put that in the chat so everyone can see? And if you don't mind, just putting Okina before the ana.
Before the
Yeah.
the A.
Yeah. Hey, where's Shannon? Shoot. So she's in continent, yeah?
Yeah, she just got back though. She should be on. Is she not on today? I thought she was. She said she was coming. She might be busy.
Well, because our meetings are boring. Okay. So yeah. Avivi ko ko'u haumana. Hello, Ana. Good. Haleaka, good. Haleaka, you mind reading your answer?
My students fast reading.
Good. Try switch the last two. The last two words.
My students reading fast.
Yeah, my students' reading is fast. I just wanted to hear your voice. Thank you. My students' reading is fast. Okay, that's a good one. Let's give Bianca a round of applause because that was a very good example. Okay, but that's what I want. You know, try, think outside the box, and if it's wrong, it's wrong. If it's right, like Bianca's, it's right. And yeah, I think we all benefit from those kind of things. Yeah. Okay, good. Our next part, and this is our second one we're going to do, and we're almost Paul. This is one you want to, we can now show that we like a certain action by attaching an ʻANA to an action. Okay? Here's it too much. Okay, so we're going to do that by putting a make sentence at the beginning and then our Kiʻa Pepeke at the end. So think of it as your, you guys remember make, yeah? Like or want? Okay, so we're gonna do that, but we're gonna show that we like, you know how we say make makeo I ke cookie? I like the cookie, or I like make makeo I ka mea ai, I like the food. Our new thing that we like, our new ave is going to be the Kiʻa Pepeke. Okay, so just think of it as we're adding in our noun, our new noun into the like sentence. Okay, so we're going to do that by saying make makeo I, make sure you put the I, and then the Kiʻa Pepeke after. Pretty easy. And our example, can you read this for us, please, Kiani?
Make au I kona kaha ki'i ʻana. I like her drawing.
Yeah, good. Make au I kona kaha ki'i ʻana. I like her drawing. Okay, so let's try some examples over here. Read this for us, please, Kar.
Make oi I ko Sam kuke ana.
And what does that translate to?
Do you like Sam's cooking?
Okay, good. So I mean it's pretty much right there, but if you guys can type in your answer to make oi I ko Sam kuke ana. Wow, Carly. I didn't even know who those people are, but yeah. Good, Lilina. I like how you added that. The first word you put. Good, Reef. You too. Okay. Good. Yeah, I mean, easy. I have the example right there for you. So, Lilina, make oi I ko Sam kuke ana?
Ai, make au I ko Sam kuke ana.
Ah.
Yeah, so she put the I at the beginning.
When I do my lunch in the
Okay, so what was I gonna say? Yeah, I think that's good. That was easy enough. So let's jump to this next one. And this is going to be make. I found a mistake, y'all. Okay, make oi I ko Duke he'e na lu'ana. Do you like Duke surfing? So give us that answer. Again, pretty simple and easy. We're on a whole nother level tonight, Lena Ala, Kapua, and everyone. But I like it. Again, thinking outside the box. Thinking outside the pahu. I'm gonna make a shirt. Think outside the pahu. Okay. So we have our right answer, I think. And that's have Auntie Helani. You want to give us that one? Make oi I ko Duke he'e na lu'ana.
Make au I ko Duke he'e na lu'ana.
Yeah, and that just translates to?
I like Duke surfing.
Okay, and let's give a wrong answer from Lena Ala. Well, maybe not wrong, but you know, our fun answer.
ʻAʻole, make au I ko Duke kuke ana ma Kauai.
What she said. I like Duke's cooking on Kauai, and I'm thinking you're talking about Duke restaurant.
Duke's restaurant in Lihui. Eh?
Yeah, but did Duke do the actual cooking? No, he did not. So that's wrong.
You don't know that. Well, there could be a Duke there. I'll ask Courtney. She works there. So
Yeah, ask Courtney. Oh, is Duke Kahanuola cooking my burger in the back? Shoot.
doesn't specify which Duke, okay?
Okay, picture.
Also, ʻAʻoleo I kahe'enalu. So
Yeah, so you
I
don't
don't
really
care.
Okay, that's a good idea.
Of any Dukes. Of any Duke surfing.
What about the Bridgerton Duke? No, I'm just kidding. I don't even know who he serves. Whatever. Okay, moving on. All right, so before we get into our breakout rooms, let's do some examples together. Maybe just choose one English and one Hawaiian, and we can translate them. As not his shirts hanging in the restaurant, but they look kind of small. I like Duke Kahanuoku's Hui Hokiani. See you later. I like Duke Kahanuoku's hula pie. That's the case. They're right. Okay, yeah. Everyone choose one Hawaiian and one English. Oh, and I'm gonna fix my mistake while we're here. Sorry. All it was a border. Okay, okay. Try and blended. The hula pie. Reef, not even. That's actually brilliant. Good, Erika. I love it. Okay, I think that was good enough. Let's just choose anyone. Mililani, anyone you did. Can you read your Hawaiian first, though?
Makemake o Pua I ka ai ana. Pua likes eating.
Did you say eating? Okay. Pua likes eating. Yeah, good. Okay, let's give us another one. Erika.
Makemake ko'u makuahine I ka inu ʻana. My mother likes drinking.
Yes, she does. Okay, another one. Rick, you want to try one of them? Sorry, Rick. I don't. There you go. Get him. Yeah.
Makemake. I put makemake o Pua I ka ai ʻana. I actually put my daughter's name, Moaniani. Makemake o Moaniani I ka ai ʻana.
Oh, good.
Moaniani likes eating.
Good. Yeah. Okay. Change them up if you want. Okay. Let's try English to Hawaiian. We'll never go a long time. Lehua, you want to try? Maybe either one.
Makemake au. No. Makemake kona hula hula ana.
You had it correct the first time. Makemake au I.
Kona hula hula ana.
Makemake au I kona hula hula ana. And then one more. Yeah, mahalo. Carrie, you wanna try the last one?
You see me trying to figure it out in my head. That's why you caught at me.
Yep.
Okay. Makemake o anuhea I kona kākou ana.
Boom. You get him. Okay. Oh, and the top one, I like her talking or her speaking. Okay, good. Before we get into our breakout rooms, can we all maybe just create a sentence? Maybe we won't do breakout. I don't know. Well, yeah, we'll do breakout rooms. But yeah, can we create a sentence first? So Rick put his one. Make make o moaniani I kaʻai ʻana. Kaʻai. Erika's one. Wow, Erika. Good job. Wow, Reef. Oh, good. What's the Hawaiian word for strip? Magic Mike. Hula lole ole. We're on another one tonight. I don't even know. I don't even know what's going on. Okay. Makamai, are you talking about clothes? Lole. Okay, so we're gonna change that and put a verb into it. You know what I mean? So just choose any verb. You can do, I don't know, whatever verb you have. Oh, do we have a special guest? We were just talking about you too, special guest.
Aloha.
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 Aloha, Kathy. Nice to see you.
How are you guys? Hi, Auntie April. We still outside doing our COVID vaccines. That's why. But I just thought I'd come in and say aloha, everyone. Nice to see you guys.
We just had an example. You want to read this one? Read this one right here.
Make make ko'u makuahine I ka inu ʻANA.
What is that?
My mother wants a drink.
Likes drinking.
Likes drinking. Oh, so nails.
Okay, back to your wherever you are.
Bye, you guys. Love you all. Hi,
Love you too.
That was Haliaka. Hi, Haliaka. Okay, good. So we have our examples and yeah, let's do a few. Oh, you guys are really giving us the goods tonight. Okay. I'm gonna ask April to read hers. Can you read yours? But you're gonna put ko before the ko'u. Okay.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
sorry. Make make au I ko ko'u makua hine ike kuke ana.
Okay. So make make au I ko ko'u makua hine kuke ana. Yeah, you don't need the EK too, but don't worry. It's still correct. You still get them. We know what you're talking about. Yeah, good. I like my, oh, sorry. Erika.
I like my mother's cooking.
Okay, let's do some speed rounds then. Lina, can you read yours? Listen carefully, a little bit different too.
Make make ka'u ilio I kona hiamoe ana.
Make make ka'u ilio I kona hiamoe ana. I feel like you guys had class last week on your own and went through the structure because you guys are doing good sentences. Very good sentences. Car, read yours.
The one that I wrote.
The translation.
Oh, my dog likes his sleep.
My dog likes his sleep or sleeping. Okay, you know what? Actually, bringing that up, good. So you don't actually need to put the ing. If you get that the ing is there mentally, then you don't need it in the translation. But I think for now, we can just keep putting it in so we can practice it. Okay. Lehi Ilani, did you have an example? Yeah, you did. We're doing Lehi Ilani's, then one more, and then we'll go into our breakout rooms.
Where is mine? Oh, here we go. Makimakiao I kona himeniana.
Makimakeo I kona himeni ana. Good example. Lena Ala, you want to try? Makimakeo I kona himeni ana.
Sorry, I was reading something else.
our
I
meetings
like her singing, his singing, someone singing.
is rehearsing, it's singing. Okay. And let's do one more, and that's going to be Erika's one because it's great. And can you put it into the chat too? Or
Hi. Hikino. So it's makemake au I ko ku'ukane ho ma'e ana no ka mea moloa no au.
Look at that. Isn't that a great example?
Am I an A+ student?
B-.
What? Rude.
Okay, so makemake au I ko ku'ukane ho ma'e ana. You can end it there, period. That's an Asian. You can end it there, period. But she added more. Okay, so what is that? Train them well. Good, Carly, get them. What's BC? Oh, yeah. Shut it. Yeah, Jason is a A+ student. You, Cool. Student cousin happy. I like it. I'm gonna call her that. Student cousin happy. Crappy. Okay. Who got it? Don. Yeah, you wanna try?
I love my boyfriend cleaning because I'm lazy.
I love my boyfriend's cleaning because I am. What is the no? What is the no kākou? Do you remember?
Very lazy.
Almost. Someone had it. Who had it? Someone help out. Park. There you go.
Lazy indeed.
Indeed lazy. Okay. But yeah, still same concept. It's just a little bit different. Okay, good. All right, so breakout room's gonna be a little bit different. I'm gonna send you guys into the breakout rooms, and you guys are gonna create sentences together. So instead of translating or whatever, giving examples, just try to create sentences on your own, or sorry, as a group. Maybe 5 together, and you guys can do Pepeke ʻAʻA or Makemakes or whatever you guys want. Okay, we'll do that's good. So yeah, group project teams. I'll give you guys 7 minutes, maybe 10. I don't know. I'm not good with time, but yeah, we'll do 10 minutes, and yeah.
See you all in 6 minutes.
Erika, Jason, she's a C student now. Rick, you get the breakout room invitation. Hey, aloha. Aloha.
Aloha.
Aloha.
Do you know how to speak Hawaiian?
Lili.
Oi ko inoa.
Oh my God. This is my moani ani.
Oh, you like to eat.
Oh, big appetite.
Yeah, me too. Yeah.
No, I'm gonna read this to you real quick.
Okay.
And then you will understand.
Hi, Erika.
Lohi.
Bye.
Lohi ko'u kiko ana.
Might help. Yeah. Okay. Who you let go first?
Oh, Kumu, you checking on us already?
Yeah. This is the Kolohe group. You guys get briefed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, we might ka'i ko ʻŌLELO ana.
Yeah, it's very fun. But he puts in the fun examples for us so we can laugh. So that's good. So make funny ones.
Putting up with that.
Okay, let's talk about Kumu.
Oh God.
For
Okay, bye.
hours.
Oh, just two of you.
Hi.
Carly's pretty much enough energy for 4 people, so.
Yeah, it's been helpful. Okay, so we have 1.
Helpful. Okay, bye.
Bye. It's because we
Stop talking about me.
We have like 7
on.
whole minutes to talk shit about you. So if you could just leave, please.
She said shit.
I'm sorry.
Wait, what was the room for breakout room?
Lumi Kuka.
Okay.
Okay.
Make, ko,
Bye.
kākou. Make, wait. Make.
Oh no, yeah.
Right.
Oh no.
Oh, Kumu, heni no ko.
Bye. Yeah, what?
Don't be sass. It's a real question. We have you know how we have the make o structure? Can you do a different verb besides make?
Yeah. So aloha or what were you guys thinking?
Well, like the pono structure or something, like just any other verb.
Yeah. What? Let's try it then.
Like I should. Is that what was the question? I should.
Yeah, like I was having trouble thinking of a good sentence. I just like blanked out, but I just wanted to know if you can replace make with other verbs and keep the same structure.
Yeah, so let's do pono o kainoa ika. I don't know. Like just pono o kainoa ika he na luana. Kainoa needs the surfing or like that.
Yeah, like basically just swap make with other verbs. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's okay. And we're gonna actually learn about more of those next week, like other.
So it could be like pono o ka'u kaikamahine I ka nuku ana.
Yes, yeah. You don't need the o though because
okay.
That's not a name. So pono ko'u kaikamahine I ka nuku ana. Yeah.
Oh, you A++ student.
Nah, C minus.
You bring dishonor on my family.
Yeah. Honor to your cow. Honor to you.
Dishonor on you. Dishonor on your cow. Okay, that's my sentence. Phew.
Good. Oh yeah, if you guys can put them all together in the chat, that'd be good. How much minutes do I have?
At least seven more, Kumu.
I don't think so because you said 6 minutes, so we're gonna go to like 2 minutes. April, is Stacy still there?
Yes. Yes.
She never go in the breakout room. No.
I know. She over here.
I had to go to the lure.
It was funny because right after you called her stink and your camera turned off, that means
True.
Yeah.
So mine is make al I ko'u kaikuane kākou lima ana.
Good. Kaikunane or kaikua ana?
Sorry, kaikua ana.
Okay, so there, she complimented you, Stacy.
I know.
Make au I ko'u kaikua ana kākou lima ana. Great. Oh, okay. I gotta go check on. She left already. Oh no.
I like my sister's handwriting.
Yes. My what sister?
My younger sister? Older sister.
Yeah.
Kalamai.
No.
It's just you look so youthful. I had to guess. You know, I forgot for a second. I went with looks.
Are you talking about me?
I'm sorry. Were you still here? Oh.
D minus.
I like the birds singing or something like that.
I like
No.
what?
Wrong. I'm just kidding.
The
What?
birds singing. Leave. You're
Oh, yeah.
here.
I like that one. We like the birds singing. Should we try that?
Oh, he's back.
Hey, Kumu, huaka'i. Huaka'i. Wait, huaka'i.
In Mexico.
They want to come to Mexico.
Yeah, we are.
Huaca'i.
Right
Clan.
behind you.
Puerto Vallarta.
We're gonna have a retreat. I'm hoping my retreat.
Aye.
That would be pretty fun.
That'd be sick. I think we'd have fun, all of our class. This class, not the other class.
Wahana o reef may ku'u keiki kane o kila. Madukes.
Oh, makoi.
Aye. That's how I know the coconut basil.
Okay, I gotta go try them on Oahu then. Coconut healthy, basil healthy. Okay, I guess.
Aye.
Shoot. It's vegan.
Vegan.
Yeah.
Ka buffet hea. Wa video oi. Ayano oi makekahi buffet. A hula oi. Oh, we going to a hula. Aye.
Yeah, that was.
I
Mauna
danced
Kea.
when I was little.
What is that, Kailani? You saw?
When I was little.
Oh yeah. So we were at the Mauna Kea Beach Hotel. I
Oh,
think.
Mauna Kea Beach. Oh yeah, it had opened
Yeah.
up. Yeah.
Yeah, so they had the luau, and my friends danced there. So they're like, "Oh, come, we get discount." But it was fun just playing tourists, you know.
Mauna Kea, they get 50% discount too. Yeah, on the rooms. I saw one advertisement.
Oh, in Kona, yeah. Probably because they're just opening back up. But
Aye.
yeah. Oh, Rick. Oh yeah.
Hello.
You live Puna. No, we just went to go visit. We I watched the hula show. Yeah, and I learned. Oh, we're going to the
Kumu, aya I hea ke pa'ani hea nei o ke aho.
Aulani Valeno Manapo Kolu.
Oh, okay.
So, every Wednesday we play at Aulani.
Oh my God.
And then we're doing May Day too, so Makala Mua o May, we get that coming up. So that's virtual. You can watch on TV coming up.
Oh, it'll be virtual.
Yeah, because COVID, you know. So
make au e ike.
yeah, it's only gonna be on Channel 7, I think. So yeah. I don't know what's on your island, what channel it is, but yeah.
Oh, okay, mahalo.
Yeah.
Is it KHN2? No.
No, KGMB or yeah.
9.
9 on Kauai, yeah.
Hi.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, actually, not different. Get digital. It's probably like 001.
Yeah, 1111009. Oh, Rick, I was just I went all around the island, and then Puna, we stopped a little bit, but I wish I could stay a little bit longer. We wanted to go to Haʻaʻa or Kumukahi.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, maybe next time we're gonna come up. I'll let
Okay.
you know. Yeah.
Oh, please.
Yeah, it was good fun. We went to every district on the island. It was good fun.
Aye, and like I said, it helped out my son. He goes to Navahi or Kahanuola, and in Papa Malao, they're starting that song. So I'm trying to work with him, and I seen that. I'm like, I think we gotta do on Huaka'i. Me and him, we just go around. So this past weekend we was down there at Kahanuola.
Oh, where's that?
Down Kākou, South Point.
Oh, yeah. We never had 4-wheel drive. So
Yeah. I kind of thought something about Kawaka, but I took him down there, and then when we came home, we seen your video. Like, I tell him I do that with him.
Yeah, good timing then.
Popo.
Well, it took us 3 days to record the whole thing because we couldn't do the whole thing in one day. But you know.
Yeah. Oh, it was a long journey.
Yeah, just the one from Keoho all the way to Hilo. Yeah. It took a long time, but it was worth it because.
Oh, it was awesome.
Yeah. When else am I gonna say I did that? You know. So.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Aye.
Okay, I think we almost Paul. I'm gonna close them all.
You know, I never said nothing at all. You know. But yeah, I like Mexico. Make au I ka Mexico.
Here's a good one. Make au I ka lele ʻANA I Mexico. So I like the flying to Mexico. Huaka'i would be a little bit different because huaka'i is just like a noun. You cannot really turn it into a verb. So you can say I like the flying, or I like the hele ʻANA, the going to Mexico. Yeah. Oh, that's your sentence. There, take them.
I will.
Hele ʻANA I Mexico.
Yeah, anybody say anything? Yeah, ask Kumu.
Yeah. You made them all by yourself. Yeah.
This is awful.
No, we can just. Okay. Erika is currently a D- student. Maybe she'll get to an F at the end of class. And the hater's gonna hate. I don't hate you. Or do I?
I love hate you.
I love you, hate you, love you. We changed it to I hate you, hate you, hate you, hate you. Hello. You got some good examples, I think.
Aloha.
Aloha. Okay, so I bought you banana cream pie. You can't hate me. What? Okay. I love you. You're an A+ student. Okay, so maybe, I don't know if we're gonna have time to do all of them, but maybe just your best example from each group and everyone can say one. So we'll start with A+ student, Erika's group.
I think Auntie April had a good one.
Okay, yes, she did.
Make au I ko'u kai kuana kākou lima ʻana.
Okay, and then since we're here, is that Uncle Roy?
Yes, it is. Say hello.
Yeah, Uncle Roy.
Good morning.
Okay, so you want to just give us the translation since we're almost Paul?
My older sister's, I like my older sister's handwriting.
Okay, good. So yeah, because they were fighting earlier, yeah. So someone called someone stinky, and then now they made up, and then they're complimenting each other. Okay. So next group, Carly and Bianca's.
We had one that we were working on that we weren't sure where to put the descriptive of it.
Okay.
So you know how at first we were saying like, oh, like my mom's cooking is good, or like someone's cooking is good. What if you wanted to say like, I like my mom's good cooking? So we were trying to make one like that, but we just.
Okay, so what did you guys come up with?
So maybe, I don't know if we ever came to a consensus, but would it be like make au I hana pa'a? No, wait. Okay, Bianca, you got it.
Well, it might be wrong, but make au I kona ho'opa'a ha'awina ʻana pa'ahana.
Studying?
Like we like that he studied hard.
Like his hard study.
Oh no, that's good. That's okay. Makemake au I kona ho'opa'a ha'awina ana. I'm gonna tell you me ka pa'ahana. So I like his studying with hard. Wait. With I don't even know what's the word.
Pa'a, I think.
Pa'ahana. Wait, what's it?
Oh, pa'ahana.
You said two people, and you're confusing me the most. Okay, so make au.
I mean, we had other ones. We could just do that.
Yeah,
and move on.
how about you do the one about the bird? I heard the bird one. So.
Okay. Let's see. Okay, even this one we were like not sure about, but makamawa I ko na manu himeni ana.
Perfect. And that translates to?
We like the birds singing.
Yeah. Makemawa I ko na manu himeni ana. Good.
Okay, we did it. Woo-hoo.
Why don't you just do that in the first place? Okay, next group. Carries? I don't know. Did your group go already? Okay. Ati Helanis.
Ua hui pu ku'u hui. How do you say agree? Agree altogether.
I.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ua hui pu ai no ka lele ana I Mexico no ka huaka'i.
Okay, so no ka huaka'i ana. That's a good one. So,
ʻANA. Okay.
Yeah. She's actually going into next week's class, but she said, what did you say? What does that translate to?
I said all of us agreed that we want to take a trip to Mexico and visit Kailani.
Yeah.
Anybody else?
Me? All expenses paid. Erika, A+. She gonna pay. Yeah.
How do you say I'm broke?
Broke out.
Polokeo.
Broke loa.
Broke no. Oi. Okay, and then the last group was Kapuas, I think. Or Linas.
Oh, either one. I guess we both didn't go.
I like Lehua's sentence. Lehua, give you a sentence about your room.
ʻAʻole au makemake I ko'u ho'opilau ʻana I loko o ko'u lumi.
Yeah, and what does that mean?
I don't like the dirtiness of my room.
Yeah, so I don't like making my room dirty. There you go. Good. And she said ʻaʻole au makemake, so she doesn't like. That's good. Okay, and then Kapua's group, last one.
I'm not even gonna do the one, guys. I'm gonna do another one.
No, do it. I know it's about me.
Okay, but I have 3 about you, so I'm gonna do the one.
Do all 3. Dude.
Just kidding. Okay. Make ko'u mau ho'opapa ma ka lumi kukahelu ʻelua I ko mākou kākou pepeke ʻana no ka mea he haumana akamai loa mākou.
Okay, and that means, I don't even know, but what does that mean?
It means that my classmates in breakout room number 2 like our sentence writing because we are very smart students.
Yeah. Wow. That's a plus. Okay, what's the one about me?
Okay, ready?
Ready.
Make nā haumana o e ho'opili mai I ko Kumu Kahanuola ʻAʻo aku ana ma Zumalani a me kiʻiwawe no ka mea he kumu leʻaleʻa akamai innovative oia.
Wow. Okay, that actually brings up a good point. ʻAʻo ana aku. It's a weird one, but ʻAʻo ana aku. So when you have your ʻAʻo ana mai, ʻAʻo ana aku, it's going to be after.
Okay.
But everything else is perfect. Okay. Cool. Because I'm innovative, everyone. All right. So.
Oh yeah, I don't know what word to use for that. So if you have ideas, that'd be good.
Kumukanu. That's innovative. That's the word now. We're going to put into the dictionary kahanu. Innovative. No, just kidding. Okay, let's wrap up. Okay, so I think, let me send it to you one more time. The links. Again, I don't know what's happening to the stuff. Hey, Tammy's not here. That's who's missing. Tammy. But I don't know what's happening with Flipgrid. I don't know what's going on, but it's okay. Just, yeah, I'll upload the lessons tonight. But if you guys want to sign up already, you can sign up. Next class is on the 13th of April, next week, Tuesday. And yeah, good class, everyone. That was very good. I think we got a lot done. I was kind of worried because I literally made the slideshow right before this class. It started at 5 o'clock and it finished at 6:29. So, but we did good. We learned a lot. So next week is going to be continuing on with progressive. Cool. So next week we're going to be continuing on with this structure, but in different types of whatever. Okay. And this is for Auntie Helani. What? Can you hear?
Cannot see. Ike.
Can you hear it?
Li'i.
Okay, I'll make them louder. Shoot. Okay, wait. Here. Let me make the TV louder.
Did anybody see him rapping? It was so cute.
That's what I was gonna do.
That was awesome.
I know, do them live.
Okay, ready. Ano hana ia au mapapa ko le maka aina ho o pula pula kahi na nea wale ai ka olo ka ho o kani pila luana me ka ohana a o he pili kia mahalo ia o ia kalani ana ole no ke ia ma makana a ina lu ole e ola ko inoa I ka hano hano iona kuhio kalani ana o te P-A-P-A-K-O-L hey P-A-P-A-K-O-L 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 Thank you.
Awesome.
I'm making more, so that's gonna come out next. I don't know when, but it's Thank you, Auntie Helani. Thanks for sharing about your ʻŌLELO. That's why I was like, okay, she shared. I'm gonna do her rap for her.
Mahalo.
Yeah. Okay, we'll see you guys next class. Have a good week. Or Thursday if you're gonna come Thursday. Hui ho.
Hui ho. Mahalo, everybody.
Mahalo.
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 Mahalo. Carrie. Mahalo.
Mahalo. Hui ho.
Hui ho.
Hui ho. Mahalo.
Mahalo. Hui Pamela. Aloha Auntie Milani.
Hello.
Mahalo Kailani. We're gonna book our flights. Hui ho Don. Aloha. There's